Babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are talking about fragrances, hence the title of this video. It is Fragrance Friday, sis. So we're going to be talking about some Zara fragrances that I have added to my collection and just kind of trying Zara in general out here on the channel. But first, if you are not already an Angel Babe, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, sis, so you will be notified each time that I upload. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first fragrance that I have to show is the infamous Ebony Wood. You guys, this fragrance took me by surprise. When I first got it in my hands, I did not like it, honey. If you watch the vlogs and if you know, then you know. But Kyra here on YouTube really enjoys this fragrance, you guys, and a lot of girls talk about this one. So this is a Eau de Parfum, and this is a 40 ml bottle, 0.35 ounces. So basically it's a 1 ounce bottle, or maybe a little under 1 ounce. So this is what the fragrance looked like, you guys. I love Zara packaging for these fragrances, you guys. Super sleek, super minimum, definitely my vibe. Really good quality glass. Like, this is a really good quality bottle, you guys. This is a very spicy, warm scent. I think a lot of people really enjoy this fragrance to be worn layered together with other fragrances versus it being worn by itself. Personally, like I said, it did take me some getting used to because this is a very warm, woody, spicy scent. This is kind of like an acquired scent. If you really enjoy woody scents, you'll definitely like Ebony Wood. And for the price, you guys, I definitely think you should get it and try it out. Even if you don't like it by itself, like I said, you can layer with other fragrances. My go-to with this fragrance is to pretty much layer it. I haven't got much use out of it, as you guys can see, honestly. I guess I just kind of prefer this fragrance a lot more during the colder months, winter and fall months. It smells really, really nice. It is a unisex. I feel like male or female could wear this one. And this fragrance is super duper affordable, you guys. It's $19.90 on the Zara website. So, I mean, if you don't like it, I mean, you really wouldn't be losing. Jo Malone is actually the perfumer behind this fragrance, you guys. So this has notes of cloves, ebony, and pink pepper. I can definitely pick up on that pink pepper. I'm not really familiar with a whole lot of woody notes, but I can definitely tell that it does have pink pepper in it. As far as the longevity on this one, I give it about 5 to 6 hours. I feel like I can't really give you guys a true longevity on this fragrance completely by itself because I just personally haven't worn it that way. I actually need to try it that way. And it's also just been a minute in general since I've worn this one because we're in summer, girl, and it's way too hot to be wearing this woody, spicy fragrance. But y'all know I am not the one to tell you when to wear fragrance, so do what works for you. And if you like wearing a certain fragrance no matter of the season, I'm totally with it because I'm the same way. This is just one I would not wear during any other season but fall and winter. The next fragrance I have to show you guys is Elegantly Tokyo. Now this one is a 40 ml bottle as well. I love the packaging on this one. It's like this pretty mint green color. And this is the Eau de Parfum. It's literally the same size as my Ebony Wood. Now this fragrance retailed for about $29.90. It was a little bit more expensive than Ebony Wood because this was a part of their was it their Cities collection or something like that. But it smells so good, you guys. I love this one. This fragrance definitely gives grown and sexy. This is an oud type of fragrance, you guys. I definitely can smell some type of flower in this. It's a floral fragrance, so if you're not really into florals, that's the best way I can describe this, you guys. It's a heavy floral. So if you're not into florals, I definitely recommend you not to get this one. Some people, it really messes with their allergies, and I'm one of them. So I actually enjoy layering this fragrance as well. It just really layers and pairs well with other fragrances that I have. So not only my other floral fragrances, but maybe even a fruity floral that I have in my collection. I just love this one. Now this one is perfect for the spring months. This is a very unique scent, and it is also an acquired scent. Zara perfumes and fragrances in general are just super unique no matter which one you get. A lot of people say they're duped for higher end fragrances and things of that such, but I definitely recommend you, if you want to try any of the Zara fragrances and you're not willing to blind buy or waste your money, definitely go inside the store, Try it out, see how you like it. Wear a little bit, because these are an acquired fragrances, and granted, these fragrances are not meant for everybody. That's why I say go in the store, honey. This smells so good, and try it out. And as far as the notes, this one has lily, jasmine, and wood. I knew it had flower in it. So the flower note, the floral note are both jasmine and lily. As far as the longevity from this fragrance, I would say I get maybe about 7 to 8 hour wear. Now I did actually wear this fragrance alone, and I also wore this one layered. When I wore it alone, you guys, I smelled it the entire shift. Like at my job, you guys, I smelled it the entire day. It didn't wear off till I literally got in the shower. So if you want a long lasting fragrance, like all day beast mode wear, this is gonna be it, girl. May I add that Joe Malone is also the perfumer behind Elegantly Tokyo and the Vibrant Cities collection just in general. The next fragrance I have is Wonder Rose, and this is an Eau de Toilette. This is a 30 ml bottle, so this is 1 fluid ounces. So 40 ml might be like 1.3 or something like that for those other two that I just showed you guys. So this is what Wonder Rose looked like, and if I hadn't said it before, it is a Eau de Toilette. So of course the longevity of this one does not last as long as the other ones. Eau de Parfums have more oil and last a lot longer if you're new here, and Eau de Toilettes are fragrances that have more alcohol than oil. This one smells really nice. A really nice fresh rosy scent. I love rose. I love roses in general, you guys, so this one is one of my favorites. Just the only thing is it doesn't last as long as I would like to, but I believe they have an Eau de Parfum in this fragrance as well. Girl, it smells so good. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer months. Chef kiss. Love this one. This fragrance is literally like a all-in-one, you guys. It is a floral fragrance. It is fruity. It is sweet. It is fresh. It is all of the above. It smells really nice. Like, this is the type of rose that you don't have to worry about it being cloying or like too much for anybody, especially if you want to wear it to work or you want to wear it to the office. This is a very nice, soft kind of rose. This is not a mature fragrance at all compared to the Ebony Wood and the Elegantly Tokyo. This is definitely a little bit more toned down. You can wear it to the office. You can wear it with the girls. You can wear it for date night. It's just a really nice toned down rose, so it's not like in your face. This is definitely classy vibes, girl next door vibes, pretty girl vibes, cute vibes. Like, I can see like even a college girl wearing this, even a high school girl wearing this. Like, this is just really, really nice. In a very beginner friendly rose fragrance. I'm actually going to spray a little bit of this on me now because I have not picked a fragrance for the night. Oh, it smells good, girl. I take that back. I cannot see a high school girl wearing this, but definitely a college girl. Like, this puts me in the mindset of if you like fragrances like Juicy Couture, Jimmy Choo, Marc Jacobs. This is that type of vibe. Vince Camuto, that type of vibe. The last fragrance that I have to show happens to be my absolute favorite, and this is Rose Gourmand by Zara. This is my favorite, you guys. It's so good. It's so feminine. It's so sexy. It's so fruity. Like, this is definitely a man magnet, okay? This is an Eau de Parfum, and this is a 2.71 fluid ounce. So this is a 80 ml bottle. This is what the bottle looks like, and I absolutely love it. This is a bottle, honey, okay? This bottle is heavy. It's made out of some real deal good glass, girl, like heavy duty. You see it. The packaging is so cute. I love the gold. I love the minimalistic simplicity of this packaging, you guys. The top, very simple. Now the top is giving cheap, it's giving plastic, but the bottle, honey, let's make some noise for the bottle. This puts me in the mindset of Juicy Couture, Gold Couture. Every time I smell it, I love this fragrance, you guys. I fall in love more and more. This fragrance is it exudes femininity. It exudes it, honey. Do you hear me? And I love the box that says feminine and empowered, a fresh rose elevated by the luscious duo of vanilla and tonka. I love vanilla, you guys already know, and I love tonka bean. I love those notes. This fragrance almost smells like it has caramel in it. It's fruity, it's sweet, it's floral, it's warm, it's powdery, it has some rose in it. I I literally get everything from this fragrance. It's just a really nice, sexy fragrance. So if you like Juicy Couture, Gold Couture, I definitely think you would like this fragrance, you guys. It puts me in the mindset of a man-eater perfume. Like, this is definitely a man-eater perfume. I have used quite a bit of this, you guys, and I had to kind of like slow down a little bit because I wasn't ready to get another bottle yet, because I do have some other fragrances that I'm trying to use up. But this one, at a point in time, you guys, was getting all my love. I'm definitely gonna pick this one back up. Smelling it again right now just brings back the memories I have had with this fragrance, and let me tell you, compliments after compliments, compliments galore, sis. Okay, if you want compliments, honey, you have to get this. I definitely would not wear this to the office. I definitely would not wear this one to work. It's way too sweet, not in a bad way. It's definitely a grown and sexy sweet, not an immature sweet, but it would just be too much for the office, especially if you work with men, girl. Listen to me, do not wear this to the office. Keep this one for your man, okay? Wear this one around the house, wear this one for a date night, and wear this one for like a lunch day, a brunch. This is just a really nice daytime or sexy fragrance to wear for any special occasion. I would definitely consider this one for a wedding as well as a brunch. As far as the longevity, I did wear this one for a date night. This lasted for about 6 to 7 hours, pretty much the entire time we were out. And also when I got home, babe really enjoyed this one, you guys. My experience with Zara fragrances has been really, really good, you guys. I have enjoyed all the fragrances that I purchased thus far. And the ones even that I didn't really like initially, layering them with other fragrances and things like that really kind of helped me to appreciate them a lot more. I definitely will be checking out Zara fragrances very, very soon, because there are some that I actually have on my list, such as Red Temptation and another one from the Vibrant Cities collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Fragrance Friday video. I really enjoyed this one and had fun filming this video. If you also enjoyed it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.